Jai Jinendra and welcome to The Right Life by Indu Jain. Today I am going to tell you points for cough and cold, which is very prevalent nowadays. So for cold, on the thumb, on the upper phalange, on the center, just bend it like this, something protrudes and just a big red dot. That's it. Simple. And apart from that, on the index finger, on the middle line, you see this is the middle line we have. So on towards the thumb, so we have to apply one black point. This is for cold. This is very effective. If you have cold, you can apply these points. Now for cough, on the line that divides the thumb into two, we start with that line and again a big circle like this. It should be on the line like this. That's it. And on the back of the thumb, see here you can add just on the outside, just at the base of the nail, a black dot. Simple, a black dot on the base of the nail. This has to be applied. This, if applied daily for minimum 3 months, helps you get memorize things better and recall. It is called memory recall point. When for students, for elderly, when we start forgetting things, if we apply this point, Lu11 it is called, so if we apply it regularly, it helps in improving our memory. And not to forget this has to be applied daily, whether you are ill or healthy, just apply it daily. So even I apply it daily, so one must do it. That's it. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.